excavator showed up today on a Sunday. I didn't expect that. He started to do some digging. He's pulling these stumps out. So I thought I'd come out and grab a little bit of video footage for y'all. So here we go. I don't know if you can hear me over the excavator or not. If not, I'll go back and do it as a voiceover, but I just wanted to point out, you know, it's unbelievable the way these stumps are rooted into the ground. And these are just pine trees, which have shallower roots. That excavator weighs 18 tons, and you can see that he's grabbing those roots and it's lifting the back end of the excavator right up. But overall, that machine will make really quick work of getting these out. I thought about coming in here with like a little John Deere, you know, 1025R or something with a backhoe on it. It would have taken me a week to get one stump out. And then I wouldn't be able to move it anyway.